Maria from Brianna's Braids, and I have Brianna with me today, and we will show you how to do a high ponytail style with accent pull-through braids and Dutch braids. So let me spin you around, if we can. And the other way. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let's get started. Make a part line from crown down to ears and another one from temples to the part line. The rest of the hair goes in the bottom ponytail. Now make another section somewhere in the middle and secure the top part out of the way with the clip. I sprinkle a little bit of water to manage the flyaways. Now take a small section of the hair, split it to 3 equal strands, and put your left strand under the middle, right strand under the middle. Left strand, pick up some hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Right strand, pick up some hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Left strand, pick up a little bit of hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Right strand, pick up a little bit of hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Continue adding hair until you reach the part line, and then make your braid long enough to reach the middle of your head. Secure the braid in the end with an elastic. With the top section, we will be repeating the same braid that we just did. So continue making the same moves, picking up hair until you reach the part line, and then make your braid long enough to reach the middle of the head and secure it in the end with an elastic. To save time, I already braided the other side of the head off the camera, so let's move to our middle section. Spray some water and brush it out. With a comb, make your first part line and tie it together with a pink elastic, and I will secure the rest of the hair out of the way with the clip. Pick up the comb and make another part line, and I will tie this ponytail with the green elastic. Make another part line, secure the rest of the hair out of the way with an elastic, and now split your first ponytail in half. Let the second ponytail fall in between and combine your first ponytail and your third ponytail together with a pink elastic. Go back and gently tug at the edges of the hair to give this pull-through braid a little bit more volume. And you could tug as much or as little hair as you want. Pick up your last section of the hair, brush it out, and now take your third and second ponytail, the one with green elastic, split it in the middle and let the third ponytail fall in between. And now combine your fourth ponytail and second ponytail together with the green elastic. And just like we did before, go back and pull at the edges of the braid to give it more volume. To continue with the pull-through braid, split the top ponytail in half, let the bottom ponytail fall in between, and tie it together with the pink elastic. Go back and tug on the edges of the braid for more volume. Now the ponytail with the green elastic, split it in half, let the bottom ponytail fall in between the strands and tie it together with the green elastic. Go back and tug at the edges of the braid to give it more volume. Now I will tie the rest of the hair into a high ponytail. Now take your pull-through braid and the side braids and attach them to the high ponytail using the hair tie. And to hide the hair tie, I will use the topsy tail tool. Let's do a final spin. You like this video. If you did, please give us thumbs up and subscribe. Click the notification bell to let you know when our new tutorial is up. Also, leave us a comment below. Let us know if this is the style that you would wear and what you think about this style in general. We love it because I think it looks awesome. And we will see you next Thursday for another tutorial. Bye!